Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Zen channel. So friends, today we talk about ASUS ROG NUC. So friend, ASUS to launch ROG NUC, the company's first ultra compact gaming PC. So friend, ASUS has taken on the responsibility to maintaining current system and spearheading the development of next generation NEC products. And friend, the upcoming releases there are speculation that one product will be incorporated into ROG family. The ROG NEC system will not compete with the existing pre-built design like the ROG C22 Edge. Unlike NEC, the system is a full-fledged desktop PC in a smaller form factor competing, or in this case, and replacing NEC 13 Extreme. The C22 Edge features a Core i9 4900 TX processor and RTX 4700 extra GPU. It even ships with the built-in liquid cooling and friend. The NEC version is an entirely different form factor of smaller gaming PCs. This market has seen a massive competition over the past few years and primarily thanks to powerful integrated graphics and more efficient discrete graphics architecture. Various companies have explored this idea by adding powerful graphics into their mini PCs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.